Welcome to today's exploration of nutrition and well-being. If you're over 50 and managing diabetes, this guide is tailored especially for you. These foods are not only delicious but also essential for your health, helping you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. Aging comes with its unique challenges, and if you're dealing with diabetes, making the right dietary choices is crucial. Fortunately, nature provides us with a bounty of foods that can assist in managing blood sugar, keeping energy levels stable, and ensuring overall well-being. So, let's delve into the world of these 5 natural foods that should be a staple in your diet if you're over 50 and diabetic. Number 1. Leafy greens, the diabetic's best friend. Our first food champion is a collection of leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and collard greens, packed with essential nutrients and rich in fiber. These greens are low in calories, but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are particularly important for managing diabetes because they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The fiber helps regulate glucose absorption, making them a must for your meals. Number 2. Berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are a delightful addition to your diet and a powerful tool for managing diabetes. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants that combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can play a role in diabetes complications. Their natural sweetness and low glycemic index make them a great choice for satisfying your sweet tooth without causing spikes in blood sugar. Number 3. Whole grains, the fiber-rich carbohydrate source. Whole grains, including oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are your allies in the battle against blood sugar fluctuations. They are rich in fiber, which slows the absorption of glucose and helps maintain steady energy levels. Incorporating whole grains into your meals not only offers satiety, but also supports healthy blood sugar management. Number 4. Lean proteins, sustaining muscle and blood sugar. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important for diabetics. Lean proteins like skinless poultry, tofu, and legumes are invaluable for this purpose. These proteins provide essential amino acids to help preserve and build muscle. Plus, they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them an excellent addition to your balanced diet. Number 5. Healthy fats, support for insulin sensitivity. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, play a vital role in maintaining insulin sensitivity. As we age, this becomes crucial in managing diabetes effectively. These fats help your cells respond better to insulin, keeping blood sugar levels in check. They also add a satisfying element to your meals, making your diet a delightful and sustainable journey. In conclusion, managing diabetes after the age of 50 requires a thoughtful and balanced approach to nutrition. The 5 natural foods we've explored today, leafy greens, berries, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, are essential components of a diabetes-friendly diet. Leafy greens are your low-carb, nutrient-packed companions in blood sugar management. Berries offer nature's sweet and antioxidant-rich solutions. Whole grains provide fiber for steady energy. Lean proteins are the key to muscle preservation and healthy blood sugar levels. Healthy fats support insulin sensitivity and overall well-being. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet and maintaining a balanced and active lifestyle, you can enhance your diabetes management and overall health. Diabetes doesn't have to define your life, it's an aspect of it. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights into your health and well-being.